Hello, how are you doing today? To discover more about the 4 principles utilized in distant learning videos, watch our 40-minute video below. Unquestionably, it's a joke. The video will be completed in 4 minutes. After the COVID-19 outbreak, distance education videos became a hot topic. And it appears that this trend will continue in the years to come. This trend has continued in recent years. After seeing a 30-second explainer video and comprehending a subject, many of us have said, "These kind of films should have been accessible when I was young." As a result of visual and oral cues, as well as approaches, videos aid to improve the educational process. For catchy educational films, media theories and associated studies typically stress the relevance of 4 stages. No need to panic, we're not going to get into rocket science. It's time to get started. Stage 1. Signaling. At this stage, keywords are used to emphasize essential aspects of the educational topic. If 3 distinct colors might be utilized for 3 different types of data, then the information to be conveyed is categorized based on color or contrast. The use of color or contrast is used to draw attention to the link between 2 pieces of information. In addition, brief words pointing to the video's goal are often utilized. Stage 2. Segmentation. Each topic is broken down into small video episodes, with each episode consisting of a chapter or portion of it. According to studies, videos should be no more than 6 minutes. In order for the intended information to be absorbed and recalled more effectively by the audience. Stage 3. Weeding. Music and other distracting audio components are removed at this point. Complex backgrounds are simplified visually. Stage 4. Matching modality. At this point, con-style videos are used as an example. Information is often conveyed via visual and auditory components or signs. If possible, use narrative language and explain yourself in an honest and inspiring manner. Illustrations are employed to bring the subject back to life in the minds of the listeners or viewers. In addition to the voiceover, animations are employed. With any luck, this video will help you learn more about producing distance learning videos. Many thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.